Welcome to this video. My name is Josephine. I am a freelance translator. My language pairs are English into Dutch and French into Dutch. And in this series I'm going to show you how to use SDL Trados Studio. In this first video I would like to just present SDL Trados Studio and explain why you should use it, or another CAT tool for that matter. So SDL Trados Studio is, as I said, a CAT tool, which means a computer-assisted translation tool. It will help you be more productive in your work because your translations will be saved in a translation memory, or a TM, and when you will make a new translation, your TM will help you reuse the translations you did previously, so that you don't have to make the same translation twice. This will make you more productive, more quicker, and it will help you to be more consistent in your work, so it will enhance the quality of your translation. So we are here in the Welcome tab. You can see that you can drag files for translation or browse your computer to create a new project. You can open a project package that is sent to you by your project manager, or you can work with other translators in a group share project. You can click on Get Started or More Resources to find resources to help you make the most of Trados and learn how to use it. If you go up here to the Home tab, you will find options such as upgrading your translation memory and align documents. We will get into that later. You can also use terminology management, and if you go into View, you can mainly change the interface of your SDL Trados Studio. We will also get into that in another video. If you click on add-ins, you can browse the SDL App Store and find new features to plug in into your Trados. And you also have help to help you out if you have a problem. You can mainly see tutorials. There are also other resources to help you out. If we click on File, then we find the same options we've seen elsewhere, such as opening a package, opening a project, and so on. You can save your work into your computer. You can print a document. You also have options to customize your Trados Studio. You can exit the software, and so on. If we go up here and click on the arrow, and we go down here to the bottom, we have projects, and here you can work on the management of your different projects. Here you can really manage your work. This is still empty for now, but if you have a list of projects, you can see the status of your different projects. You can see if they're in progress or if you have completed them. You can manage the due date of your projects so that you don't miss any kind of deadline. And you can also create here in the Home tab where you have more options. You can, for example, create a new project, open an existing project, and so on. We will also show how to create new projects, open existing projects, and so on. Now, if we go back down here, we have the editor, and in the editor you will do your work. Basically, it's here where you do your translations, really. We will obviously get into how to do a translation in Trados and how to do the quality checks afterwards. And down here we have translation memory. Here is where you can create new TMs and where you can clean up your old TMs, and this is really important once you have worked for a while on your translations. So I'm going back to the Welcome tab and to the Home tab, and that's it. Here you have seen the importance of using a cat tool and what the main features of SDL Trados Studio are. I will get back to you next week with a new video on a different subject.